Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a rolling animation on Canva. The way to create it, first you need to open your Canva and then create this video project. And now on the blank page, you can insert your logo or maybe any element that you want to create this animation. Okay, now the next step, you just need to click the clip like this and go to the timing and decrease the timing onto 0.5 second. And like this, and hit the check button. Okay, now the next step, click the element that you are insert onto the page like this. Okay, now adjust it a little bit and put the element onto the left corner, onto the left side from your page, kind of like this. And the next step, you just need to duplicate this first page, but before I duplicate it, I'm going to change the color from the background. So let's use this gradient color, this one. Okay, now the next step, duplicate it and slowly rotate the element and move it on to the right, and like this. Make sure it has a same position as the first page. Then duplicate the second page. The point is you need to do this until you make sure that you are finished adding the motion. Okay, do that frame by frame, kind of like this. Rotate it and move it like this. Duplicate again, rotate it and move it onto the side. Again, rotate again, put on the side, and one more time, rotate it again, put it on the side, and go to the center like this and put it on the center. Now the next step, you just need to click this plus button and go to transition, and now you need to use this match and move transition. Click it one more time to adjust the speed from it or the duration, and check this apply between all page and go back to your page. And now actually it's already done, and the final result of it will be look like this. As you can see, now we have this kind of rotating animation of an element on Canva application. You can adding more, maybe like zoom in or fade element animation onto it. Yep, the point is you just need to improve it by yourself and find your own style of editing. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.